So as you can see, I got my car back yesterday. Today is the 15th of December, I believe, Wednesday. And I got the rear spoiler set down on the car. You can see the corners are not quite right. But I think the spoiler is actually twisted a little bit. You can see where it's up there and it's hitting right here in the middle. But the corners are just not right. I think it's coming up because it's twisted a little. Probably sat too long without being on the car. But anyway, I'm going to try to see what I can do with it. And I mean, it sits real good right there, and you can push down on it, but after time it comes up, so it's not going to work too well. Just not going to work, I don't think. I'm going to have to wait for another new one to come in and probably be happy with that. Doesn't look too bad without it though, but it looks much better with it. Yeah, it's crazy. If you push it in where it's supposed to be, then you get the corners up really high. I don't think this one's gonna work. I'm gonna have to bond it to my bumper cover I have in the Corvette room. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one yet, so not sure what I'm going to do. Kind of confused at the moment. I don't think putting it out in the sun and try to reforming it's going to work. Stay tuned. Heli Whopper coming over. This is the first thing I'm going to give a shot at, hopefully trying to reform it. I'm not sure it's going to work, but we're going to give it a shot. Leave it out in the sun. I mean, the temperature's only like 56 degrees outside today in Arizona, and it's supposed to warm up as the week goes on, but anyway, I'm going to give this a shot. I'm going to give this a couple weeks and see what happens. And we'll go from there. Hopefully it'll work out. I think I might have to hang it a little bit different, but actually, you know what? I could probably do it like this. Yeah, there we go. That'll work a lot better. I think that'll be better. I'm going to leave it like that for a couple weeks and see how it goes. Wish me luck. So that's my first shot at it. I'm going to do this before I get too crazy with epoxies and glues and stuff and everything. But cross my fingers and hope it works.